Let's now move on to painting and finalizing our work. While I am confident in the 3D modeling skills, I am still learning the art of painting. I am currently searching for a paid artist to collaborate with, but before I hire anyone, I want to grow the subscriber base. Once I have enough support, I will post a new video showcasing their work. First, we will practice painting the face. You can use white filament to print the 3D model. Since the white filaments absorbed moisture and became useless, I have used light blue filament instead. I am using acrylic paints bought from a nearby shop, and I am using primary colors to paint the face. Let's start with the eyes. I am using black and white paints. Use a thin brush when painting the eyes. I am using a toothpick to mark the eyeballs with black paint. Use black paint to paint the eyeballs in a U shape. Don't make it oval, as it will give a bad look. You can add a dot of white paint at the center of the black eyeball to give it a gorgeous look. Use black paint and draw a thick coating around the eyes to mark the eyelashes. Now, let's mix the skin color. I am using white, yellow, red, and blue colors to mix various shades for skin tones. Initially, mix red and yellow to bring an orange color. Use white paint to bring lighter tones to the mixed color. To create dark tones, mix blue with the yellow and red combination along with white. First, apply a skin layer to the whole face. Initially, it is looking awesome. Cover the entire face and ears with this skin color. Now, use a lighter color on the forehead, cheeks, and chin as I paint. Mix the dark shades and draw a line as shown. You can find this line clearly on many online websites. Also, apply the dark shades to the eyelids as shown. Give a dark pinkish color to the top lip. Apply a similar color to the bottom lip. Make the bottom lip lighter by mixing in some white color. Paint the eyebrows with dark gray color made from black and white. Finally, paint the hair color as well. After getting a sufficient follower base, I will hire a painting artist to make it all come together. Here's how it looks after the painting is completely done. Rate the face sculpting, dress design, and painting skills from 1 to 5 stars each in the comments. Finally, you can apply a clear varnish coating over the miniature to protect the paint and give it a finished look. You can use either varnish paint with a brush or a spray varnish for convenience. Unfortunately, due to a shortage of varnish, I could record a tutorial on the varnish application. However, it's a straightforward process, and I am confident you will be able to do it yourself with ease. Be sure to explore these playlists for the tutorials you are looking for. If you don't find what you need, feel free to comment below with your request,